Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Focus headlight bulb easy guide. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, open the hood, and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Gather tools like a screwdriver and gloves and keep the replacement bulb nearby. Working calmly, locate the headlight housing, loosen fasteners, and avoid touching the bulb glass. These steps set you up for a safe, smooth bulb replacement process you can repeat. Start by locating the headlight housing at the front corner of the vehicle and inspecting how it is secured. Remove any clips or screws and gently pull back the housing if necessary to access the bulb socket. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling straight out. Twist or unclip the bulb socket, then withdraw the old bulb carefully without twisting the wires or forcing components. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more car tutorials. Quick recommendation: I recently read The Simple Path to Wealth, and it reshaped my thinking about saving and investing in a refreshingly simple way. If you want to learn more, check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the new bulb ready, hold it by the base to avoid skin oils on the glass, which can shorten bulb life. Insert the bulb into the socket, aligning tabs and seating it fully, then secure any retaining clip or ring. Reconnect the electrical connector, turn on the headlights to verify operation, and reattach the housing and fasteners. Double-check alignment and tightness to ensure reliable performance and a neat finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.